All right, everyone, here we are with ticker symbol SRNE, Sorrento Therapeutics Inc. And before I jump into this chart, I want to say welcome to all my first-time viewers and investors. Welcome to my channel, Invest for Tomorrow. Hope you guys find this video helpful and informative, and it means you well. To all my subscribers, I want to say thank you. Thank you for your support. Thank you for your recognition and your efforts to go ahead and give me feedback. I really appreciate that. I hope to continue to relay helpful and informative information and nothing less to you guys. Let's jump into this chart. So, very bearish run as we can see, and it's been non-stop since the high peak of $20, and this has just gone down. I mean, at one point it was great to say that people were just trying to take profits, but I mean, this is just divided almost by 3 from the runs of where it was at and where we're at right now. Very bearish. And right now, we saw a day of volatilityness, a lot. It was very volatile, and you could see how this broke through resistance, and it only lasted through resistance 3 points in the day. 1, 2, 3, about an hour and a half. And the high was 773, broke through the 50-day moving average, and just quickly fell from there. I mean, to the point that you could see that the support was used, which is great news for the bulls. They kind of broke through it, and then support was used here, and here we're at, and it closed at 716. But I mean, the resistance level just got harder to break through than when we were at previously, and the bulls are really going to have to come in hefty to bring this up to newer highs. So here we are at 773 for our resistance level. And the 50-day moving average is in the middle of all this, and that's 741. I'd write that down. Our resistance level is 773, and our support after closing at 716 is a little bit, not too far, but a little bit down, which is 702. I'd write that down as well. But let's go ahead and see what's important here for tomorrow. So this closed out at 716. Our 50-day moving average is 741. As long as it stays below it, the bears are in control. You can kind of slightly see how the bulls reappeared, and let's see if they can continue this momentum to break through the 50-day moving average. That's the first resistance level. That's the first point before the bulls can even say they got back, they recovered, and they're back in bullish territory. To stay in the bullish territory after breaking through the 50-day moving average, the bulls are going to want to break through 773, turn that into a support, and start to work their way up to newer highs. So that's very, very important. And this is a very broad stretch here due to the fact that that's the highest point and the most important point. So first they're going to break through 741, obviously. That's their first point of importance. Turn that into support to start to work their way up to newer highs. Then the 773 portion needs to be broken and turned into support so this can continue to hit newer resistance levels and newer highs. Now on the other spectrum of things, 702 is the support level, and if the bears are able to break through 702, they already have gained control, and just by breaking through that support, they're just dominating this way more. And the bulls are just going to have to work harder and load up on way more stocks to bring this one back up. If 702 does get broken through, you're going to want to pay close attention to how it's behaving and how quickly is it falling to 691. That's the lowest point here as the next support level. And the lowest point of yesterday was 675. But before even paying attention to 695, 75, 691 is very important to pay close attention to if 702 gets broken through. But even 702, I can't emphasize this enough since it's already in bearish territory and below the 50-day moving average of 741. If 702 gets broken through, I'd pay very close attention to the behavior of this stock and how quickly is it moving to newer lows and what is going on, and are the bulls even reappearing to try to recover this and load up on stocks and bring this one back up. Hope you guys found this video helpful and informative, and it means you well. Share this with your friends and community. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you feel inclined to subscribe, and go ahead, don't do just a subscription, but also click on the bell so that you guys don't miss a single video that I post, so you guys can be up to date on the chart analysis. And don't forget to hit the like button to let me know you watch this video. Thank you guys for watching, and let's make some money.